Hello all, Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how to add a disclaimer to your Zoom meeting. So this means when anyone joins your Zoom meeting, they'll get a little message that they have to accept before joining your Zoom meeting. So the key thing about this is you do need a licensed account. So according to Zoom's website, this is not something that's available for free. For those of you that you have just a free account, so you will need to have some kind of a subscription to Zoom. But once you are in, we're going to go ahead and sign in really quick. Okay. There we go. Once you're in, then what we're going to do is we're going to go on the left hand side, we're going to click on account management. And then we're going to go to account settings. And from here, we're going to go to the top here and we're going to go to meetings. And then what I would recommend doing is just typing a disclaimer. And then you're going to go to this section right here. So that's basically under meeting advanced, if you want to just use the little menu on the side. So once you've done that, you're going to want to flip this on. And once you've enabled this, you can just go to manage disclaimers or create disclaimers. And then I would external participants, because you really don't want it for internal unless you want it specifically just for people who are in your Zoom account. And then we're going to go ahead and click next. And then this is where you can add your custom disclaimer. You can give it a title so you know what it is, and then just add the message. And if you want to kind of get a quick disclaimer, if you haven't checked out ChatGPT, check out my video up above describing more about how to use it. But basically I just gave it a prompt, age restriction disclaimer for people joining Zoom call, and it basically automatically generated a disclaimer for me. So you can just go take what they have and go from there, or you can tweak it if you want a little bit further. Once you've created your message, then you can go ahead and post it in here and click save. And then anyone that joins your meeting, so let me do this really quick. Let me sign out really quick. And if I go to Nude computerguys.com, I click on the Zoom here, click allow. It's going to go ahead and sign in. And here is our disclaimer right here. So you just say they agree, and then they can go ahead and join the meeting. So if you enjoyed this tech tip, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel and want to support it, it's totally free. Feel free to subscribe. It helps the channel grow. And then click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.